today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Google Forms background color. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the Google form and select the painter icon up at the top that says Customize Theme. And now over here on the right panel, you just want to scroll down where it says Background. You can select from a different color that's listed here, or you can also adjust the color of the background up here and then select Add. And then that may give you additional options to change the background color to match. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.